Have callback. First up on our list is the Baron series of vehicles. You might be surprised to learn that they're made by a company that used to work in aviation, but don't worry, these Barons only fly on the roads reaching speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. What's really cool about these cars is their modular design. For example, you can turn a Buin into an ambulance with room for 4 stretches or into a truck that can carry up to 10 tons, and even with all that versatility, they still offer a decent level of protection. According to media reports, the Buin can keep its crew and passengers safe from a 6 kilograms explosive projectile coming from 80 m away. No, this isn't a new Batman movie, but a real-life car called the Falcatus. If the name sounds familiar, you might be a history buff. It comes from the word falcata, which is a type of sickle sword used in ancient Roman chariots. But let's get back to the present. The Falcatus is designed for the Russian Special Services, so there's not a lot of info available on its technical specs, but here's what we do know. It uses the chassis from the KAMAZ 4911 Extreme. The gearbox has 12 stages. The diesel engine has 730 horsepower. It can reach speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour. The troop compartment has enough room for 10 soldiers, and the armor can withstand 12.7 millimeters armor-piercing incendiary bullets shot from a sniper rifle. The next vehicle on our list is perfect for assault teams. Its standout feature is a folding ramp that makes it easy to quickly climb into buildings, trains, and even ships. But that's not all the Inca's Sentry TI has to offer. It can seat up to 10 people, has a powerful 330 horsepower diesel engine, and is armored to withstand rifle fire. Plus, the manufacturer offers optional features like a siren and a PA system. Please, ATVs are agile, but they lack protection. That's where the LD1 upgrade comes in. It may look basic with ballistic shields mounted on a frame with brackets designed for a specific ATV model, but don't be fooled. The LD1 offers 360 degrees protection and has passed tough tests under the NIJ standard, one of the world's most rigorous ones. It can even withstand fire from ammunition up to 7.62 by 51 millimeters. Some years ago, Turkey decided to build its first universal landing ship, but they needed a way to transport and land personnel effectively. To find the best solution, they launched the Zaha program. As part of it, the Turkish defense company FSS developed an amphibious armored personnel carrier called FSS Zaha. It was introduced to the Turkish army last year and can transport personnel on water at 13 kilometers per hour and on land at 70 kilometers per hour. It has room for 21 people, including the commander, the gunner, and the driver. The basic armament includes a 40mm grenade launcher and a 12.7mm machine gun, and it also comes with a smoke generator. One interesting feature is the removable blocks that allow the APC to be used safely in waves up to 4 points. Not so long ago, two German companies, Rebo and Rheinmetall, had an idea. Rebo makes agricultural machinery, while Rheinmetall is one of the largest European manufacturers of armament and military equipment. They decided to team up and build an armored tractor, and thus Steel Buddy was born. Rheinmetall engineers designed an improved removable cab, which was then mounted on REO's 6R series tractor. The result is a machine that's perfect for working in areas with unexploded ordnance. It can even withstand a clothes burst from an 88mm fragmentation projectile, and if that's not enough, steel butt tractors can also be equipped with an optional fire suppression. São Paulo is known as the cultural capital of Brazil, but it also has a high crime rate. In fact, it ranks 11th on the list of the most dangerous cities in South America. To help combat crime, the local police ordered 6 Garter armored vehicles. These vehicles have a universal capsule that can be transformed into a mobile command center or a first aid station, and they can hold up to 22 people in addition to the crew. The Garter is built on a man truck chassis, and it can climb slopes up to 60 degrees and cross water obstacles up to 60 centimeters deep. As for armor, the Garter has passed STANAG 3 tests withstanding fire with 7.62 by 51mm NATO ammunition from up to 30 m away. Strike Group is a company that works on a variety of projects from bulletproof glass to mobile checkpoints, but what's really interesting is their work on military equipment. They make everything from compact armored vehicles to huge APCs with 8x8 wheel arrangements. They also take on special orders like the MADF. This equipment is designed for air defense and can handle off-road use too. If you want to know more about it, Strike Group encourages you to email them for more details. If it's raining, you should bring an umbrella, and if there are protests, these mobile barricades are what you need. They're made all over the world. Take, for example, the South Korean model Gino Rex. Not only can it push back protesters, but it also has a water cannon system that can hit targets up to 70 m away. The barricade is made of steel, and each section is 4 m wide. They can unfold in just 60 seconds from the cabinet. Manufacturer can make the Gino Rex in 4x2 and 6x4 configurations, and it comes equipped with several cameras and a video recording system. The Arcus Scarab made its debut at the Paris Air Show, which might seem surprising until you realize that this armored vehicle can be transported by both planes and helicopters. In fact, it can even be airdropped from a special platform on the ground. The Scarab is no slouch either. With a top speed of 130 km per hour, it can also move sideways like a crab to avoid exposing its sides to enemy fire. The vehicle has room for 3 passengers plus a driver, and its power plant is a diesel-electric hybrid plus. Its swinging doors provide extra protection for disembarked soldiers. International Armored Group has created an armored crane that can help with rescue and evacuation operations in dangerous areas. Not only does it protect against attacks with 7.62 by 51mm NATO ammunition, but it also has protection against mine explosions under the vehicle as well as collisions with wheels or tracks. The crane has a 2-person crew, a driver and an operator, and can handle loads up to 13 tons. It comes in either 4x4 or 6x6 wheel configuration and is powered by a 380 horsepower diesel. The Rezvani tank is a luxury SUV that combines technology with the durability of Army armored vehicles. If you're a car enthusiast with money to spare, this vehicle has everything you could want. It boasts a 1,000 horsepower engine, bulletproof windows, night vision, smoke screens, and even explosive detection. And while it may cost a hefty $259,000, which is about the same as 8 Tesla Model S vehicles, Rezvani Motors claims it's the most rugged, powerful, and extreme SUV on the planet. Remember the Geno Rex barricade truck? Well, its manufacturer has another interesting vehicle called the Titan 15. The engineers came up with a unique solution. Both the engine and the water cannons can be controlled from a central operating room. This makes the Titan 15 safer than many other similar trucks, and it can also serve as a mobile command center. The water cannons can shoot up to 90 m and have a reserve of 15,000 L. The truck also has cameras for all-around visibility and a launcher for smoke and tear grenades. Engine Panhard introduced their crab buggy back in 2012, and it looks like John Cocker had a similar idea with their Cockerill iX, which was first shown in March 2022. Both vehicles seem to have been designed by the same team, with experts highlighting their versatility, high speeds, and advanced technology. For example, the Crab has an unmanned turret, while the Cockerill has AI algorithms and specialized helmets. Both vehicles can be equipped with 25 or 30 mm cannons, but the Cockerill is faster, reaching speeds of 200 km per hour compared to the Crab's 100 km per hour. However, the Crab can drive sideways, living up to its name. Which one do you prefer? The CB90 HSM is a high-speed boat made by Saab. It's an updated version of the CB90, which was known for being able to provide a quick and easy disembarking on rocky shores, and was first used in 1991. The CB90 HSM is still meant for coastal waters, but it's got some new features. It's got two Scania diesel engines that produce a combined 1,800 horsepower, which means that it can go up to 83 km per hour and travel 1,482 km on a single tank of gas. It can seat up to 21 people, including 3 crew members, and the inside has been completely modernized for comfort. The boat can also be equipped with various weapons and electronics like automatic grenade launchers, non-lethal weapons, thermal imagers, and laser rangefinders. Basically, the CB90 HSM has become faster, more maneuverable, and better at observing its surroundings. The Swedish Navy plans to use these boats until at least 2040. This electric buggy can impress even the most seasoned soldiers. It's known for its maneuverability, off-road capability, and an array of high-tech gadgets. For instance, it has a remote-controlled machine gun on the roof firing 6,000 rounds per minute. At the rear, there's a platform for a reconnaissance drone. If the enemy sets up an ambush, the buggy's 555 horsepower engine and 322 km battery range come in handy. Its top speed is 95 km per hour, and it can carry up to 635 kilograms, enough for 4 grown men with guns. The Nikola Reckless electric buggy can handle almost anything. Just avoid driving it on the beach. The creators of the Mwari Smart project describe their invention as a reconnaissance, surveillance, and precision strike aircraft. Essentially, it's a flying command post equipped with advanced optical, IC, and electronic sensors. It offers a clear view of the terrain from up to 9,000 m, combining the capabilities of reconnaissance aircraft and attack helicopters. Mwari Smart can take off almost vertically from the ground. Its missiles are designed to hit targets precisely, minimizing collateral damage. The vehicle is 10.5 m long with a wingspan of 12 m. An energy-saving system will help it stay in the air for extended periods. The Kodiak Engineer vehicle is a technical marvel designed to handle the toughest jobs on the battlefield or during emergencies. Built on the chassis of the legendary Leopard 2 tank, it features an articulated bucket, an adjustable blade, and a sophisticated winch system. Weighing around 62 tons, it's surprisingly mobile. Kodiak can even transform into a mine breakthrough system. Its armor withstands explosions and shrapnel. The crew enjoys relative comfort with climate control and comfortable seats, along with protection from chemical and biological threats. The vehicle can also be operated remotely. The Boeing V-22 Osprey has a maximum flight speed of 500 km per hour with a range of up to 1,600 km and a takeoff weight of 24 tons. It can hover at altitudes over 3,000 m and carry up to 24 soldiers and 4 crew members. Widely used in air assaults, rescue missions, and VIP transportation, it is also capable of aerial refueling. The Fennec FAO Reconnaissance Artillery Vehicle features one of the most advanced navigation systems in its class, crucial for locating targets and providing fire support. Weighing up to 12 tons and equipped with a 237 horsepower engine, it can reach speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour and has a range of 1,000 kilometers. The crew consists of 3 people: the driver, the commander, and the operator. It is equipped for missions lasting up to 5 days and armed with an automatic grenade launcher and a machine gun. The Eurosatory 2024 exhibition showcased the Leopard 2 ARC 3.0 tank. Unlike previous versions, it replaces the human gunner with smart electronics. The ARC 3.0 turret is fully autonomous and has 2 pivot points, keeping the gun level with the chassis and reducing vulnerability by 30%. The tank features a high-speed automatic loader that can fire 3 shells in 10 seconds. Additional armament includes a remotely operated battle station with a 30mm cannon and a missile system for long-range combat. With its sensors and AI, this tank could theoretically decide on its own when to fire, though it still awaits human oversight. The AAC amphibious bulldozer is designed to prepare shorelines for the crossing of heavy equipment. It can level ground, dig holes and ditches, and transport materials using a cable system. A unique feature of the AAC is its ability to collect soil in a special balance tank and unload it at the end of the operation if necessary. Unlike similar models, the AAC has a special suspension system that allows the front part of the body to be raised, lowered, or tilted, increasing its overall efficiency. The AAC has a crew of 2 and is equipped with modern systems including day and night cameras and air conditioning. The M all-terrain vehicle is a top choice for those needing outstanding off-road capabilities and minimal maintenance costs. With a 5-speed manual transmission and fuel-efficient diesel engine, the M tackles rough terrain with ease. The cabin features 2 rows of seats for comfort, and the vehicle's payload capacity is around a ton. An upgraded version with a winch and a spacious trailer is also available. The AB-950 armored airboat is designed for patrol and rescue operations in shallow or hard-to-reach water areas. It is no more than 9 m long and 3 m wide, weighing 3,200 kilograms. Powered by a gasoline engine with a 400 L fuel tank, its propeller system allows speeds up to 33 knots. The cabin fits 5 people, protected by B6 level armor, and includes air conditioning. Its ability to navigate shallow waters makes it ideal for areas where other vessels struggle, and its corrosion-resistant coating ensures readiness. The The CV-90 infantry fighting vehicle is a versatile platform designed to support other vehicles and infantry with firepower in almost any environment. Thanks to its powerful engine, it can reach speeds of up to 70 km per hour over rough terrain even though it weighs 35 tons. It is armed with 30 to 40 mm cannons and rocket launchers, with advanced active and passive defense systems for crew and infantry protection. Its advanced battle management technology allows for faster decision-making. The Triton G810 armored boat, created by Canada's Strike Group, is an 8M vessel designed for tactical and patrol missions, including anti-piracy and vessel inspections. It can carry up to 10 crew members. Powered by two 250 horsepower engines, it can reach high speeds and maneuver through challenging weather conditions. Its hull is made of high-strength polyethylene for excellent stability. The gunboat can be equipped with a combat station featuring a machine gun and additional weapons with a 180 degrees field of fire. The Sikorsky S-97 is a new generation tactical helicopter capable of reaching speeds up to 410 km per hour. Despite its focus on speed, it remains highly maneuverable and can carry substantial payloads, transporting 6 soldiers with their ammunition and weapons. Built for challenging environments, it can fly at altitudes up to 3 kilometers and withstand high temperatures. Even if the tail rotor is hit, the S-97 can continue using its main propellers. It is expected to be widely used in assault and rapid strike operations. The Zumwalt-class destroyers are designed for U.S. Navy missions requiring stealth and firepower. With a displacement of 15,970 tons, they have a unique hull shape to minimize radar visibility. Powered by 2 Rolls-Royce MT330 gas turbine engines producing 47,500 horsepower each, they can reach speeds up to 30 knots. The crew consists of 147 members, with space for an additional 28 Marines. Armament includes 80 vertical launch cells for Tomahawk missiles and 2 155mm guns. The ships are equipped with active defense systems and fire scout drones. This Humvee has been transformed by Dan & Arts Customs into a top-notch hot rod. Equipped with a Hellcat V8 engine producing 717 horsepower, it measures about 4.5 m long. The front wheels are smaller than the rear ones, giving it an aggressive look. Disc brakes ensure safe stopping at high speeds. With its unique tri-axle configuration and low stance, this Humvee has become an Instagram star. The DARPA GXVT wheel-to-track system can handle any terrain. On solid surfaces, it uses regular wheels, but on soft ground, the tires transform into triangular tracks without stopping. The vehicle maintains a standard Humvee length of about 4.6 m. Motors built into the wheels offer excellent acceleration and maneuverability. Each 50 centimeters wheel houses a sophisticated system with 3 gear stages and thermal regulation. the Mercedes-Benz LG 1519 6x6 truck proves that 20th century technology is still impressive. This 7M vehicle weighs about 10 tons and can conquer almost any obstacle thanks to its unique rear suspension articulation. Even on steep inclines, it remains stable with all wheels on the ground. This Mercedes will soon turn 70 years old, offering an adventurous off-road experience. Developed by Saab for the Swedish Navy, the A-26 submarines are among the most formidable hunters in the northern seas. With a displacement of 2,000 tons, they use diesel-electric propulsion and advanced Stirling AIP batteries, allowing extended submerged operations without surfacing. The standout feature is the multi-mission PCAL system, enabling the launch of both manned and unmanned vehicles. Their stealth is so impressive that enemies might detect them only after mission completion. They show increased resistance to underwater explosions. The lightweight and agile buggies developed under the GXVT program can tackle up to 95% of all obstacles on rough terrain, including steep slopes and mountains. The vehicle's weight has been cut by 50% compared to similar models, enhancing maneuverability and off-road capability. Equipped with autonomous threat evasion systems and an advanced control setup offering a 360 degrees view with built-in sensors, these buggies are designed to handle tough conditions. While currently on paper, engineers are committed to building prototypes soon.